Loss of smell and taste are now among the symptoms of COVID-19, while remdesivir, tocilizumab and plasma therapy are new additions to the list of investigational therapies for the disease as per the clinical management guidelines notified by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The new symptoms had already been added by US's Center for Disease Control in the list of coronavirus symptoms in early May. Home Minister Amit Shah and Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan will hold a meeting with Lieutenant Governor of Delhi Anil Baijal, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and members of SDMA to review the situation in the capital regarding COVID-19 tomorrow at 11 a.m. Director of AIIMS and other senior officers will also be present. The World Health Organization on Saturday said the Americans are bearing the brunt of the global coronavirus pandemic at present, with North and South America currently having 4 of the 10 worst-hit countries in the world, according to reports. The highest number of cases have been reported from US, followed by Brazil. The Maharashtra government has approved the use of homeopathy medicine Arsenicum album 30 for the general population as a preventive measure against COVID-19 and as an immunity booster. A government task force has also come up with a list of Unani and Ayurvedic medicines and even sesame oil as measures against COVID-19. According to reports, the state has begun identifying people aged above 55 years in rural areas to administer Arsenicum album 30. Defence spokesperson Lieutenant Colonel Devendra Anand said that in 2019, a big spike in ceasefire violations was seen after the abrogation of Article 370. The number of violations has increased continuously since then. He said that in 2020, in less than 6 months, there have been more than 2,000 violations, which he said surpassed figures for the entire year in 2018. In the backdrop of a rising number of coronavirus cases in the state, largely due to incoming passengers, Kerala Principal Secretary announced that from June 20th, all private chartered flights departing to Kerala from the Middle East countries shall only carry COVID-19 negative passengers. Test certificate must be carried by them, and this rule applies to all flights for which consent letters were issued earlier. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi shared 4 graphs corresponding to each phase of the lockdown, showing the steady rise in the number of new coronavirus cases. He has been a critic of the lockdown, saying it has not helped arrest the rising cases. He accompanied the graphs with the quote, "Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results."